Hi folks, Ben Hanlon here with the Cherokee Arctic Wolf 287BH by Forestriver, and we're going to show you what makes this one of the most versatile bunk houses on the market. But first, let's show you the bunk room so we can get started there. The bunkhouse of the 287BH is one of the most unique in the industry. Not only is it fully private with a hard closed door to make sure that they can sleep better, but also you're going to have massive sleeping. These oversized bunks would allow two adults to comfortably sleep top and bottom so that you're going to be able to say whatever your sleeping needs might be, the 287BH is going to have a good chance of meeting it. In addition to great sleeping, you're going to have tons of storage as well. There's hanging storage above, and below you're going to have shelving storage so that you can have jeans or jackets or whatever. Now, in addition to all of this wardrobe storage, below we've opened up below the bunk, and you're going to have larger storage for larger items that you want to bring or the kids might want to bring, anything like that. This bunk room offers versatility, convenience, sleeping that most in a half-ton towable fifth wheel are not even going to think about offering. In so many bunkhouses, they focus so much on the bunks that the kitchen can be an afterthought. In the 287BH, we wanted to make sure it was a highlight of the coach. When you look at all of the counter space that's available on the 287BH, not only is it here and here, but full depth back behind there with outlets above, so that if you've got coffee makers or toasters or whatever you might want to cook with, you're going to have full access to not only place them, but plug them in as well. Now notice above the counter space, you're going to have this massive full depth storage on every level to where you can put plates, you can put glasses, you can have extra dry goods storage if you would want. Sometimes you need places for pots and pans or an extra crock pot. Those are all things you can take with you on a 287BH. Below that, you're going to see the farm style sink with the black stainless finish, which looks awesome. You're going to see the pull out faucet, the gas stove with drawer below, and next to that, you're going to see the residential 12-volt fridge, which is going to offer you the versatility of a residential fridge, which is going to cool down faster and it's going to maintain cool better even in high temperatures. Now, it's great if you have kitchen storage, it's great if you have kitchen cooking, but what about kitchen eating? What about sitting, right? That's where the oversized U-shaped dinette comes in the 287BH. The 287BH oversized U-shaped dinette not only allows all the seating you could want for your whole family, but it's also going to be versatile. This is a removable table, so if you don't want to eat inside, if you're going to be eating outside the picnic table, you can use this as a second area for a couch. Also, the live edge table, which is great looking by the way, can be set down and put the cushions on top of it, and you can use it as extra sleeping. And since it's so long, you can actually have full adult sleep on it comfortably. Okay, one of the things you'll notice in the 287BH also is you're not going to hit your head. On a lot of mid-profile fifth wheels, you're going to see 5'10", 5'11" slide heights. You're going to see 6'5" interior slide heights on the 287BH. So you're going to have plenty of clearance, which also allows for these large panoramic windows. Now, you're going to see the full view of your campsite, wherever you're going. This is going to be beautiful. Plus, you'll see that we've upgraded the window treatments. We've gone away from the curtains. We've done shadow boxing, which looks much more elegant. Plus, the zebra shades are going to allow you to have as much or as little light as you want. If you want to adjust it and have some light or no light, that is a great feature of the zebra shades with easy convenience. Now, below the dinette, you're going to see that we didn't make it hard to access the storage. The full-length drawers allow you for easy and convenient access to all your goods that you're going to store below the dinette. So many brands may just have a door there, or they may have it sealed off and you have to lift up the cushions to access it. This is going to both sides have full depth drawers so that you can access all the stuff you want. Now, not only does it have a great kitchen, we're going to have a great living room as well. The living area on a 287BH Arctic Wolf doesn't disappoint either. The comfortable hand-stitched seating is going to offer comfortable seating and easy viewing since it's directly across from the entertainment center. This is also a tri-fold sofa, so it folds out into a full bed, not the jackknife sofas. Now, directly across from your seating is a television. So you have large TV area placement here. You're going to have USB ports along with regular chargers. Now, below that, you're going to see the entertainment system, which is going to be ready for radio or Bluetooth. Heading up the stairs, you've got the master suite with the bathroom and the bedroom. Let's go check it out. The bathroom on the Arctic Wolf is going to offer appointments and amenities that others are just wanting. And first, you'll see the porcelain foot flush toilet. Makes it easy to clean, makes it stable, makes it more secure and less likely to break than its plastic counterparts. Across from that, you'll see the oversized sink, which is going to allow you nice use of a sink, whereas some of these really aren't functional. They're very, very small. Tons of counter space around that. You're going to have storage below and the mirrored medicine cabinet above that, with the skylight above the shower, so that for our taller customers, you're going to have the convenience of using the shower as well. The easy opening offers the ability to say, I can get in and out a lot easier. Sometimes people use those tri-glide plastic shower doors that are hard to clean and hard to maintenance and really offer very little as far as opening, and it's hard to get in and out. Our easy access opening system is easy to use and easy to shut and allows for a nice open feel where you can get in and out. And not only that, it's super durable. Check this out. Now, we have a great bunk room, we've got a great living and kitchen space, the bathroom's amazing. Let's go check out the master bedroom. The master bedroom is amazing in the Arctic Wolf 287. First, you'll notice the residential queen bed. It's a true 60 by 80 residential queen, so both of you can sleep up there comfortably. Next to that, you're going to see outlets and nightstands on both sides. You're going to have phones, you're going to have readers, you're going to have tablets, you're going to have CPAP machines. These are things that are a part of everyday life now, and we want to make sure that they're a part of your camping experience as well. So nice, versatile outlets on both sides with nightstands, drawers on each side as well. So many times it's just dead space down below, and shoe storage below that. You're going to have extra storage on the sides, shelving storage above. Now, you're going to typically, in this type of a half-ton towable fifth wheel, have the hanging storage on each side, which really limits your access. We've actually transitioned that to the front of the coach. So up here in the bedroom, you're going to have hanging storage in the front below the TV area so that you can have full depth of storage where you can hang all your clothes, shelving, and again, more shoe storage below, because as much storage as we can put in these, we want to. So we've got great kitchen storage, we've got great living storage, we've got great bunk storage. Let's give you great bedroom storage. So along with the amazing inside look and feel and great features, the outside does not disappoint. On the Arctic Wolf 287BH, it's going to have great features and look on the outside as well. Starting with our friction hinge door, which allows you to not have the old style door where you've got to latch it with a plastic hook and try and hope that it stays. This is going to actually be something where you can place it wherever you want and not have to worry about the wind slamming it, because it's just going to be resistant to those type of things. Now, we've also added this year our high gloss black door to accent the gray walls and upgraded graphics package, which makes it look really sleek going down the road. Below that, you're going to see our more ride step above entry steps, which is the most secure, easy access entry point in any coach in the industry. You're going to have nice large grip pads, oversized top step, perforated back plate, because that's going to allow all the dirt and debris that might get on these stairs to fall out before you lift it up into the coach. You have expandability in that on the side, you're going to be able to add a second handle if you so choose, so that if you have bad knees or bad hips, or if you just want the extra security of a handle down below as well as up above, you can have that on the more ride step above. One thing that's unique to our stairs is that we hear from a lot of times our permanent site customers want to add a deck, but this type of stair system really doesn't allow for that, right? So what we've done is on the hinge there's two pull pins, and if you pull both of those out, the stairs can be fully removed, and what that allows you to do is take the stairs all off so you can have deck space unimpeded outside the coach, right? Again, one more way that Arctic Wolf is trying to think about the end user. In addition to those type of features, you're going to have the pass-through storage, which is going to be finished, unimpeded pass-through storage with vinyl flooring, which makes it easy to slide your items in and out. You're also going to have stain resistance, and you're going to have less chance of tear and scrape, right? On every Arctic Wolf, wherever we can have an oversized awning, we do. On this particular model, you're going to have an oversized awning that goes almost the whole length of the coach. With this model, you're going to be able to say, I can not only have great space inside, but great space outside. Since I'm going to be wanting to be camping, I want to have coverage in case it rains or those sort of things and still be able to enjoy my outside. It covers the door, it covers the pass-through storage, it covers the leash latch, which is actually going to be great because our dogs and pets are coming with us, and that's something we don't want to leave at home, right? We want to have them with us. And we want to have easy and convenient access to hook them up and have them as a part of our campsite. So continuing under the awning, you're going to have the camp kitchen down here. The camp kitchen on the Arctic Wolf 287BH offers a full array of functionality and appointments that are easy and convenient for your camping needs. We start with the fridge that's going to allow you to keep all your beverages cold, ice maker, spray port with sink, and cooktop all at a fingertip so that you can have easy access even being outside. You don't want to track things through the coach. You don't want to have to go back into the coach as much as you can. You want to be outside enjoying your camping site, right? So this is going to allow you to do that more than most brands. In addition to that, you're going to have your awning covering it so that you have the door covered as well as the awning, and you'll notice that this is recessed into our 2-inch thick laminated walls. Now, a lot of brands on the half-ton market are going to go 1.5-inch thick walls. These are going to be full 2-inch thick walls because we want to make sure you have great structural integrity. We want to make sure your insulation package is great, and since it's a bunkhouse, we want to make sure it's quiet so that you don't have, if you have noisy neighbors, your kids aren't being woken up in the middle of the night, right? So this is going to offer great insulation on all of your walls, in addition to the 50 amp service and the second AC prep and the bigger furnace and all of that. We also heat and close the underbelly. Now in the underbelly, you're going to have a forced air heat that's going to allow you to extend your camping season so that when you're wanting to go out in the spring or fall, things like that, it's not a problem in the Arctic Wolf. In front of that, you're going to see the aluminum wheels with tire pressure monitors on the stems. Now these tire pressure monitors are a convenience to you because improperly inflated tires is one of the biggest causes of blowouts in the RV industry. And if we can help you make sure that you're getting the most out of your camping experience, we want to do that. And tire pressure monitors is one more way that Arctic Wolf says, hey, we're going to go the extra mile for you. In addition to the convenience of an outside camp kitchen, you're going to have one-touch push-button auto leveling on the Arctic Wolf. This means that you're going to have easier setup and easier takedown with the memory hitch height for your truck, so when you're ready to go, it's easier to get back on. You put the front jacks down, you're going to be able to auto level, and in just a few moments, you're going to have your campsite almost fully set up. No more fighting with the manual jacks, no more just trying to get the stabilizers down. This is going to offer great stabilization. This is the Ground Control 3.0, which means that you're going to be able to have great stability when you're walking through your coach, but the one-touch auto level means that you're going to have great ease of use setting up and taking down. Folks, thanks for going through the Cherokee Arctic Wolf 287BH by Forestriver with me. I'm Ben Hanlon, and if you want more information, visit forestriverinc.com/Arctic Wolf.